Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the family, and if you've always been here, thank you so much for sticking with me. So last year I showed you guys the Real Techniques everyday essential kit. That's this. I told you guys that it was sent to me, but I haven't used it since then, so I thought to do like a mini review slash demo right here so you guys can see how to use these brushes and the sponge also, and just have a feel of the old kit. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so I'll be starting with the RT200. This is the expert face brush for foundation, so I'll use it to apply my foundation. This brush is super soft. So this is how my foundation looks after using the expert face brush, which I really like. Everything is well blended. I don't even need a beauty blender. So moving on, I'll apply my concealer. To blend the concealer, I'll be using the Miracle sponge. Put it in water and make it damp. It's now damp and very soft. I'm going to use that to blend the concealer out. Moving on, I'll be using the RT300 brush. That is a deluxe crease brush, and I'll be using that to apply an eyeshadow color. It's a little large for my eyelids, but it's not something I can work with. Okay, so I'll go off camera now to do my eyeliner, mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. So I'll be using the RT400 brush to apply powder all over my face and also to apply blush. This brush is really fluffy, very soft. Okay, so now I use it to apply my blush also, just lightly. So the last brush is the RT402 brush. This is a setting brush. You can use it to set your under eye area, and you can also use it for highlighter, so I'll be using that to apply highlighter. I like it because it's quite small and precise, so you don't get highlighter all over your face. So this is the overall look, guys. Do you like it? I really like this everyday essential kit, but if I'm asked to choose, my favorite brush from this kit would be, okay, I have to actually, so it would be the expert face brush and the blush brush. The expert face brush because they applied my foundation flawlessly and effortlessly. Like, I love it already, and it's definitely going to replace my beauty blender from now on. You guys need to try it out and you need to see what I mean. Like, it's really nice. And the blush brush because it's really fluffy and very soft, and he applied my blush really nicely, and even the powder too. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you guys in my next one.